Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Welcome. Our recipe today is Antonio's Sparkling Strawberry Citrus Lemonade. Yes, indeed. I want to give a big shout out to my man Antonio Taylor. He's a super cook on Facebook, and this is some of the stuff that he creates. And I'm telling you, when I see some of his foodie photos on Facebook, my mouth waters and it drops. So I had to make this here citrus strawberry lemonade that I seen him put up and post on his Facebook channel, on his Facebook page. I'm telling you, I made this many times and this is killer. So this is what we're about to do. It's 1.5 gallons of water in this here container. Now we're adding 2 cups of sugar to this here container, because I'm telling you guys, you've got to make this here punch to see exactly what I'm talking about. This lemonade to see what I'm talking about. After we've got the sugar in, get you some Country Time lemonade. Yes, sir, Country Time lemonade. And dump in the whole container. Don't skip and try to save some, because it won't work. Use the whole container of Country Time lemonade. Now we're going to take a whole can of pineapple chunks along with the juice inside the can and dump that can inside the pitcher too. You guys need to check out my man Antonio Taylor on Facebook. I'm dropping a link below to his Facebook page so you can see what this guy is producing. Now we're going to take us some sliced peaches along with the syrup inside the can, and we're going to dump that thing right on inside the container also. The next thing that we're going to do, I got me a bag of this here fruit. It got strawberry, mango, and pineapple chunks in it. So I'm going to bust this thing open, and I'm dumping in those fruits, baby. And I'm definitely going to give you guys the recipe below for Antonio's strawberry citrus lemonade. Then I got me a whole orange that I cut up and sliced, and I'm dumping that in there as well. Then I got 1 whole lemon, and I'm slicing that baby up, and I'm dumping that in as well. You better give this a try, I'm telling you. You'll love it. Then I have a 1 liter Sprite, and I'm putting the whole 1 liter Sprite inside the container. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix this baby right on up. Antonio, I'm telling you, my brother, this is a killer recipe, man. I got to try more of your recipes, definitely. Just stir it on up, man, until the sugar dissolves. After the sugar dissolves, go ahead and set this baby in the fridge.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Let it chill. Let it chill.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Go ahead and pop that door open. Get your ice cup ready and pour you some freshly made citrus strawberry lemonade, Antonio Taylor's way. Man, this was some good stuff, y'all, I'm telling you. I make this all the time. Yo, this is my man Antonio. Antonio, thank you for allowing me to use your recipe on the page, on this YouTube channel. Check out my man Antonio. Whatever you do, be blessed, love, and not hate. Peace. Thank you so much for checking out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Whatever you do, hit that red subscribe button, and next to that button, there's a notification bell. Click on that bell. You will be notified of up-and-coming videos. So I want to thank all of my new subscribers for checking in and becoming a Ray Matt family member. I just want to say to each and every one of you guys, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. But here are 2 videos that you could definitely check out. All right? Peace.